Arlene is moving the Jeep so we could get this party started. What are you setting up?
Just looking at my birthday present.
Oh my goodness. I think you're gonna tackle this one all by yourself, Alino.
Alino? Nope, I don't think so. Come on over, baby.
Hey.
Come on over, baby. Take it away, Greg. Here we go. Thank you.
No. I'm done here.
All right.
What was that?
That was just a little American Idol in Garage Couple. Hey guys.
The total kit, the total price is under 150 US schmackaroos.
Crazy.
Welcome back to Garage Couple. My name is Greg and I drive a 2005 TJ Rubicon.
My name is Arlene and I drive a 2015 JK.
At one point in time, we had 3 Jeep Wranglers, but now we're down to 2.
And a house.
And a house. So if you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button below so you could never miss out on any of the awesome content we create, as well as many of the giveaways that we do. Our next big one is at 10,000 subscribers, and we are going to be giving away a lift kit at that time to one lucky viewer. Now, to make things fair, we're probably also going to give away other stuff as well at 10,000. Headlights, maybe injectors, maybe even LED pods, you name it. We're going to have a big giveaway at 10,000, so hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on that content. Now, why don't you tell us what we're doing today?
So one... Oh, I'm choking, I have to swallow. Hold on. So 1 year ago, just about a year ago, we installed a 3-inch Motofab lift kit. So today we're going to give you a review of how it held up, how it drives, and a little bit about the install for those of you that are new.
Now, one of the things about this lift kit is it is one of the cheapest ways to lift a Jeep Wrangler JK 3 inches. And so we've been living with it.
3, right? Just not 4.
Not 4.
3.
3.
Okay, just check.
Where's your squirt gun?
Oh gosh.
So it is the cheapest way to lift the Jeep Wrangler JK, and we've been living with it for about 1 year now. So we're going to give you our full review, our full scoop, as well as what we think and if we would do it again. Now, if you missed our full install video, I believe it's 30-40 minute video that we created with step-by-step DIY install, the link will be in the corner and in the description below so you can find it easily. Also, the Amazon link will also be in the description below. Now, we're also installing a
birthday gift. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Tell us about this thing.
So it's my birthday, you guys, and my brother got me a baby Jeep part. For those of you that don't know my brother, we put a cutout on his BMW for his 16th birthday. I'll put the link up here. Awesome surprise, and he absolutely loved it. So he got me, first thing he found on Amazon, according to him, it is a bottle opener. It's gonna take 2 screws top and bottom, should take a couple of minutes.
Where does it go?
It's gonna go right over here.
Perfect for camping.
Perfect for camping, picnicking, all of the above.
So stay tuned to watch us install that, reveal a little bit more about our giveaway, as well as our full review on the 3-inch Motofab lift kit.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So, for those of you that don't know, a lift kit, you're going to work behind the tire. In case you guys are wondering why I'm down
Guess
here.
what? Elephant in the room.
So, the Motofab lift kit is a spacer, so you're not going to be changing these springs when you do this.
Or the shocks.
Or the shocks. So, my shocks came from a Rubicon that we had switched out prior to this lift kit, for those of you that don't know.
If you haven't heard about doing that, we highly recommend that. It's a cheap way to upgrade the ride on your rig. Just find someone with a Rubicon that wants to upgrade to probably Skyjacker or anything like that, and you can go ahead and find them pretty cheaply. We got a set, actually 8 of those, and we put 4 on our green TJ and 4 on the on Arlene's
JK.
Arlene's JK, the one right behind her.
That's right. So installing the lift kit was pretty easy. It took us 2 4-hour days to install. Why are you laughing? Woo! Easy as butter. Trash.
Oh.
Trash.
All right.
Come sit by me now. Welcome to the Lift Kit Zone.
The Lift Kit Zone.
So tell them a little bit about the install.
So installing the kit took a total of 2 days, about 4 hours each day. We started out with the rear half and then we worked our way towards the front half. Now there aren't that many parts, just a couple spacers, one for the shock, one for the spring, and one for the brake line. Now they were made of really heavy duty solid steel, so we were sure that they weren't gonna break or they weren't gonna go anywhere. Now in case you're wondering from the title of this video as well as the introduction, the total kit, the total price is under 150 US schmackaroo.
Crazy. You really don't hear of lift kits at that cost that do the job. So we were super happy about the cost for sure.
Now, there's a couple of different categories that we would like to talk about. The first of which being the install. Now, installing a lift kit definitely involves a little more skill than installing a light bar. Lift kits before light bars, guys. Man, all the comments that we've received. But in any case, the actual process isn't awful. If you have some simple hand tools as well as a jack and some stands, you can go ahead and lift it without any issues at all. So as far as install, I'd give it the same rating as many other lift kits. There aren't that many moving parts. Plus you have our awesome video to help you get the job done. Now what about drivability?
It drives absolutely incredible. It's still very, very smooth. 1 year later, nothing has changed. I feel like I had just installed it. The height's actually perfect for someone like me. I'm all around
Mosquitoes.
I'm all around incredibly happy with this, and I would definitely recommend others. If you're just jumping into lift kits, this is a great way to start.
Now, just a couple comments. It drives identical to when it was stock. You cannot tell that it's lifted at all. It literally has the same OEM drive feel that you rarely get with other lift kits. So for that reason, we give it a huge thumbs up. Now, you gotta also consider, so this is a budget lift kit. It's actually called Budget Boost on many of the forums and online. Now that's because you're not actually getting extended travel when the axles droop down. So it's basically not for those that want to do some hardcore off-roading. This is more so for people like us that just go to the mall and back. No.
Wow.
This is for people that do light to medium off-roading and mostly use their vehicle on road, and there's nothing wrong with that. Don't let any online bully tell you otherwise.
That's right. I got a couple comments, didn't really like them. We're not about them haters.
We're not about them haters. We like the community, we like to give stuff away, and we like to just share fun and our adventure, and we're going to continue doing so regardless. Now, we talked about install, we talked about drivability. What's left? Is there anything really? Is there anything else left with the lift kit? Those are pretty much the two big. The cost is another big one, and under 150 shipped to your door is pretty amazing, I would say.
Yeah, I think that's about it.
The construction, the construction 1 year later, everything's holding up, goes down the freeway without any issues. One common question that we get is, did we have to update or upgrade our driveline? And the answer is, we did not have to upgrade our drive shaft, neither front nor rear. It totally worked all right out of the box, and it came in 2 days. So,
moving on to my birthday gift.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Before.
And why don't you snap and let's get the after.
Ta-da!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how easy was that?
So easy.
Now let's put it to use. What's that there?
Corona Premier.
You know, for those that like to have fun yet want to still keep it kind of light.
Wow,
Oh my god, awesome. Take any longer, why don't you?
That's pretty legit.
That's pretty cool.
You guys, I've had the one, we put the one on the TJ that was on the license plate, wasn't as sturdy as this. This feels a lot more heavy duty, Hardcore, not going anywhere with the beer.
And the link is gonna be in the description below. Thank you, little bro. That is an awesome, awesome addition to our Jeep Wrangler.
That's right.
Now, why don't you talk to us about our giveaway, Arlene, and then let's close the video.
At 10,000 subscribers, you guys, we are gonna give away the lift kit we just talked about. We're so happy with it. We want someone else to have the same experience as us. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button below for your chance at 10,000. Also, stay tuned for episodes before the 10,000 because we might have some extra little surprises we toss in there.
For now, thank you so much for joining us for this video, and we look forward to the next time. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. Check that out at Garage Couple. Take it away.
Woo!
And away we go.
See you guys soon.
See ya later.